Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this mini cord loop. Now as you can see, I have done this mini cord loop and attached it to one of my Amigurumi project. So this cord loop will be very handy for you when you need to attach such crochet miniatures or Amigurumi projects to any of your crochet work like straps of your handbag, or in case if you want to work it as a keychain, then you can join it to the keyring in this way by using this cord loop. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials that we need in order to work this mini cord loop are: I've taken a 2.5 mm crochet hook, any color cotton yarn as per your choice, scissors and a measuring scale. So let's begin. In order to start up with this tutorial, first we need to make a slip knot. But before doing that, we need to measure about 30 cm of yarn. And leaving this 30 cm of yarn, make a slip knot. Now, this yarn will be considered as a leftover yarn, and this one is the working yarn. So, rolling it over your finger in this manner, just move the leftover yarn in this way over the hook. Now pull up the working yarn and go through 2 loops. Again rolling the leftover yarn and pulling this working yarn to the 2 loops. So in this way we are creating a cord. Just continue working like this till you are left about 2 to 3 cm of leftover yarn. So you can see the mini cord getting created. I am left about 2 to 3 cm of my yarn. So I'll just cut this working yarn. And then we'll pull both the yarns to the loop on my hook. Now just tie knot. Now we need to pull one of the yarn to the stitch on the other side. So insert your hook into the last stitch and pull this yarn. And again tie knots. So here we have done with our mini cord loop. In my future tutorials, we will be learning how to work with this crochet miniatures or such kind of amigurumi projects. Or then we will learn how to attach this cord loop to your crochet amigurumis. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it really very useful. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.